Hi, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this little short video. This is about how to repair a vertical blind panel. They tend to break at the top, and it's an easy fix. So I hope you enjoy it. You see here, this is where it breaks. You want to clean any broken parts out so that it's nothing in the way when you do this. And then you're going to take and cut at the end of the broken panel, just a small strip. Keep it straight. And if you do this right, you will never even know this thing was cut. Now, you can see where I got that little black line. Basically, from there up, you want the little strip to start at the bottom edge, the straight, and it should be as thick as it is up from that black strip. That way it'll lay completely the same as what it was before. This is a PVC glue. You need to use a PVC. This is a PVC product. And you don't want to put much. That's why I'm just using this little pointed stick. You don't have to use a brush or something where it's going to smear it all over. And you don't want to put too much where it squeezes out. It's a very simple process, but you do have to use the correct type of glue. If not, it's not going to hold. Well, if you do it right, it'd be stronger than before. Now you can see the strips in already. Now you've got to put this, they have a curve. You want to make sure the curve faces the same way all the rest do. Because once you clip it in, they're not that easy to get out. You could break the snap up there. And that's all to it. You're done. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video and it helped you, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a terrific day.